The world is changing. Technology is advancing at an unbelievable pace. Every day, new innovations are transforming the way we live, work, and interact with each other. One such technology that's capturing everyone's imagination is blockchain. It's a concept that promises to revolutionize various industries by providing a new way to handle data and transactions. Imagine a digital record of transactions, secure and transparent, that everyone can trust. This record is immutable, meaning it cannot be altered or tampered with. That's blockchain in a nutshell. It's a decentralized ledger that ensures data integrity and security. From finance to healthcare, supply chains to real estate, blockchain is poised to revolutionize the way we do business. It offers unprecedented levels of transparency and efficiency. It's like the internet, but for value exchange, promising a future of secure and transparent transactions. This could fundamentally change how we exchange value and trust each other. But what exactly is blockchain and how does it work? How can it be so secure and reliable? Let's dive in and explore the magic of blockchain. We'll uncover its mechanisms and understand why it's considered a groundbreaking technology. Imagine a digital ledger, a record book, that is not stored in one place but across multiple computers. That's blockchain. It's a revolutionary technology that decentralizes data storage. This ledger records every transaction, every piece of information in a secure and transparent manner. Each entry is immutable, meaning it cannot be altered once it's recorded. Each transaction is grouped together in a block. These blocks are like pages in a book, each one containing a unique set of data. These blocks are linked together chronologically, forming a chain of information. This chain is continuously growing as new blocks are added, and because this chain is spread across many computers, it's incredibly secure. The decentralized nature of blockchain makes it resistant to hacking and fraud. Think of it like a digital puzzle, where each block is a piece. Each piece fits perfectly with the others, creating a complete and unchangeable picture. To tamper with one piece, you would need to change the entire puzzle, which is virtually impossible. This ensures the integrity of the data. This makes blockchain incredibly secure and trustworthy. It's a technology that promises to revolutionize the way we handle data and transactions. The finance industry is being reshaped by blockchain technology. Remember the days of waiting for bank transfers? Blockchain is changing that. With blockchain, transactions can happen faster and cheaper, without the need for intermediaries. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin are the most well-known example of blockchain in finance. These digital currencies allow for peer-to-peer transactions, bypassing traditional financial institutions. But it's not just about cryptocurrencies. Blockchain can streamline cross-border payments, reduce fraud, and increase transparency in financial markets. Section 4. Healthcare's healing touch, blockchain's prescription. Healthcare is another industry where blockchain is making a difference. Imagine a world where your medical records are secure, easily accessible, and controlled by you. That's the promise of blockchain in healthcare. Blockchain can create secure and tamper-proof electronic health records. This means patients have complete control over their data, and doctors can access it securely. Section 5. Streamlining the supply chain from source to shelf with blockchain. Ever wondered about the journey of your coffee beans or your new smartphone? How do these products travel from their origin to your hands? The path is often complex and involves multiple stages, from raw material extraction to manufacturing, distribution, and finally retail. Each step is crucial and can be prone to inefficiencies and lack of transparency. Blockchain is bringing transparency to the supply chain. This revolutionary technology records every transaction in a secure, immutable ledger, making it possible to trace the entire history of a product. By tracking products at every stage, from origin to delivery, blockchain ensures transparency and accountability. This means that every participant in the supply chain, from farmers to retailers, can verify the authenticity and status of the product at any given time. This helps businesses track inventory, prevent fraud, and ensure the authenticity of goods. Companies can manage their stock more efficiently, reduce losses, and build trust with their customers by providing verifiable information about their products. Consumers can trace the origin of their purchases, knowing exactly where their products come from. This level of transparency empowers consumers to make informed choices and supports ethical sourcing practices. Imagine scanning a QR code on your coffee pack and seeing the entire journey of the beans from the farm to your cup. This not only enhances the consumer experience, but also builds a deeper connection between the consumer and the product. That's the power of blockchain in the supply chain. It revolutionizes the way we understand and interact with the products we use every day, ensuring a more transparent, efficient, and trustworthy system.